Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to enable USB boot options on your Dell Inspiron laptop. In my case, I have the Inspiron N5010. I'm going to port my USB that has Windows files. This is a bootable USB drive. So in my case here, I'm going to turn on the PC and I'll go ahead and click the F12 key in order to go to the boot menu. So here you will see that it's preparing to go to the boot menu, and when we go to our boot menu, we shall see that we don't have any USB in our boot menu, as you can see here. So what we're going to do next, I want you to go ahead and, in my case, I'm going to restart the PC so that you can go ahead and restart. So I have clicked Ctrl-Alt-Delete to restart. Then I'm going to click F2 so that we go to the BIOS system. F2, after the computer restarts, we go to the BIOS system. So the computer has restarted. So we're going to go to the BIOS system. And what happens here, it's preparing to go to the BIOS setup, as you can see on top here. So what happens here, we are going to do some little things here. So I want you to go ahead and use, and you see somewhere here, boot sequence. Sorry about that. Boot sequence, you have to make sure everything is enabled as you see it here. And the problem you are facing is not about the boot sequence or anything. So you have to go to system configurations and go to USB configurations, and you have to make sure the USB is enabled to support boot, for USB boot support. So after here, you have to go ahead and say apply down here below and say OK. So this will solve the problem of the USB not being seen at the time of booting, the time of going to the USB boot options. So right now I'm going to click quit and the computer is going to restart. So when the computer restarts, you make sure you click F12 rapidly so that it doesn't go and open the Windows files. So right now we are going into our boot menu, and this is what we get here. As you can see, we have the general U disk, which is our USB drive that you can boot which has Windows. So I'm going to click the down arrow key and select this, then I'll click enter. So in my case here, this shows the Dell logo. For some other computers, this will show the Windows logo. So after a few seconds, you have to see that Windows files loading here. So if I put the laptop back, you're going to see a progress bar that will show you that it's reading Windows from the USB drive. And this could be Windows 10 or any other OS. So this is how you enable USB boot options on your Dell Inspirons, and this would work on other versions. So right now here, you can proceed on the process of installing Windows because the USB boot options and enabling the USB has worked. So I'm going to stop from here. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload useful videos like this. So comment if you have any issue. So I'll stop from here. Have a nice time. Goodbye.